Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this transmission out so we can service the clutch. Okay, and so I took the shift linkages off here. I got under it and popped them right off, one there and one there, and that way we can disconnect it there. And then I left the rubber grounded here, but it's all worn, so we're going to have to look at yeah, doing something for those things too as well, I guess. But these, we should be able to just squeeze these tabs and they should lift right out, okay? Yeah, super easy. Just squeeze that with a pair of, you know, pliers and it just slides right out. So now I'm going to then remove the half shaft bolts, okay? And we'll see how we go from there. Alright, I also undid the sway bar because it's right in its place. It's right in the way of dropping that transmission out. So we just dropped it. I let it hang there. 4 13mm bolts. You know, remember to put some Loctite on, but I think we're just going to let it swing there. And when I put it back, we can try to grease that up a little bit so that, you know, it's going to be good. But let's get to removing those half shafts and see how far we get. So I'm going to remove the half shafts. What I got is a 55 Torx T55, and I got a piece of well, some pipe, and then this actually fits very well. And then, okay, and I'm going to hold on to the wheel, and there we go. There we go. And we're just going to go around in a circle. I did that one. I'll go around this one. Okay, onto the wheel, and there we go. And we'll just get the half shafts broken off, okay? All right, the half shafts are off. I don't know if you can tell, but they're right here. I've taken them off, and now we're going to remove the bracket. These are 13s, and this bolt is a 15. So I'm just gonna get in there and release it so we can get these mounts out of here, and then I can support the transmission and then undo the rest of the bolts. Okay, so I'm going to get these free and see how far I can get. There was one on either side, and then we're going to try not to disturb these. Okay, so we're going to take these apart and remove the whole entire assembly out of the way. Let's see how we do with that. Alright, I support the transmission, and I have removed the brackets that attach there, and it's pretty free now. So what I need to do now is to remove the engine bolts and then undo the slave cylinder here with this one, and then we should be able to get that out of the way, and then hopefully we'll drop it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the transmission's out. I got a jack supporting the engine because I don't have a battery, so I couldn't pop open the engine cover and support it, even though I have an engine cradle. And don't forget, on the bottom there is a threaded nut that's on the back side of the engine that you can only get in with a, you know, a box wrench. So I took that out, and there was only six bolts holding this one, this one, this one, this one, and two on this this side, which is very strange. But the transmission is out, so now we can get to the other job. Throttle bearing doesn't feel too bad, but we'll probably replace everything when we do the clutch. All right.